Oh my goodness. So here's Lili and Dante, and Lili prepares this very good rice. Tell us that. Tell us the
Take
steps.
one of the rice of love.
Oh,
It had a lot of love in it. It was
Yeah.
really
Oh, yeah.
good. It was delicious. I had it and I was like, and I wanted more and I wanted more.
Oh, see.
That with the soup that we had at the vegetarian dinner would have been.
Yeah. Excellent rice. So that's why we're asking you. Tell us the steps. Number one.
So number one, you must take a bucket where you're gonna put a finely sliced onion. At the same time as the oil or the butter, olive oil it's fine. Always put the onion at the same time as the oil, like that it will not burn. If you put the oil hot and then put the onion, it will fry. So put oil and onion at the same time, and then you start to warm it up. Take 3 cloves of garlic, crush them, keep the skin, stick it in.
Okay.
Let that brown. You can at that time all the spices you want. I put yesterday there was salt, pepper, a little bit of powder coriander, and a little bit of curry powder, but just a tiny bit. But you can add lots of pepper, anything really you like.
Okay.
Once that starts to be nicely, translucent, when you can see through the onions,
Oh yes, yes.
that's when you're gonna add your rice that you have been previously washed 3 times. As my friend from Senegal said, always wash the rice 3 times.
3 times.
That's gonna make the rice not to be sticky.
Until the water runs clear, huh?
Exactly. Normally 3 times, if you do a good wash, it should be enough.
Okay.
Put the rice in, and you can, yesterday I put a bit of green pepper, but the same, you can add any veggies you like with the onion, and then you put your rice, let it stick a little at the bottom, and for the dose of your rice, you will put 2.5
Okay.
of water.
Okay.
Okay.
So 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cup of water. In the water, you can add as well if you want this little chicken stock or any other flavor in the water. They're gonna give flavor. But yesterday was only salty water.
Okay.
And you put that on. And yesterday I put the chickpeas, but again, add anything you like. But the base is that onion, garlic, the rice, 1.5 of water. Put it in a low fire. Whenever you see the rice, which means that normally 1/4 of the water has been sucked in, this is time to close, turn off your fire, and leave your rice. Finish the cooking.
And rice a la Lili está
a la Lili.
listo.
Buen provecho.
No, pues muchas gracias, mi amigota. Ándale, gracias.
Thank you, Lili. I'm gonna seriously, I'm gonna practice it. Because it was so good.
But what's nice is to practice with all sorts of mix, Add anything you like, really.